If I Were a Kangaroo, a Bedtime Tale. Mylisa Larsen, illustrated by Raff. If I were a kangaroo, I'd pick you up and carry you in my pocket, sleepyhead, and hop you gently off to bed. If I were a giant whale, I'd sing you songs, slow epic tales. Fin to fin, down in the deep, we drift together into sleep. If you were a chick, my dear, I'd cluck a cozy. We're all here. Close my wing roof overhead to make a rustling feather bed. Squirrels cuddle in a heap, swaying in their nest asleep. If we slept in that nest up high, the wind would sing our lullaby. If you were a small giraffe, my little spotted, knob-kneed calf, we'd nap together standing tall, rarely lying down at all. Feet above head, down below, bats sleep upside down, you know. If we were bats, at the end of the day, we'd just be waking up to play. If you were a little otter, side by side we'd ride the water, on a sea that never ends, in a raft made up of friends. If I were a mommy spider, you would be a spider rider, resting with your sisters, brothers, legs, next to each other. Mom gorillas build a nest where babies snuggle up to rest. If we were them, we'd curl up tight and dream gorilla dreams all night. But you're not fish, nor bug, nor bird, so hush now, not another word. I'll count your fingers and your toes and kiss you gently on your nose. Then tuck you in and hug you tight and whisper, I love you. Good night.